Hi, now we're going to discuss about family, about family like what is father in Tagalog. Father in Tagalog is tatay. Tatay. That's the father, tatay. How about the mother? Mother is nanay. Nanay. How about grandpa? Grandpa is Tagalog, lolo. Lolo. How about grandma in Tagalog? That is lola. Lola. How about aunt in Tagalog? That is tita. Tita. How about uncle in Tagalog? That is tito. In old days we say tia for aunt and tio for uncle, but nowadays you will most often you will hear tita and tito for aunt and uncle. How about the eldest son in the family? We call them kuya. Older brother. That is kuya in Tagalog. How about the older sister? We call her ate. Ate. But you will also hear some Filipinos calling elder lady or those who's older than them. We call them ate just to show respect to those who's older than our age. So even though they're not our sister, we still call them ate just to show sign of respect. Also with the older, for example, if it's older men than our age, we also call them kuya, even though they're not our brother. It's common in the Philippines, or it's common traits among Filipinos. How about the youngest child? We call them bunso. Bunso. How about cousin? Cousin, we don't have the general for male or female cousin. We call them in general pinsan, regardless of regardless whether they're female or male. We call them pinsan. Okay, so that's the part of the family. Hope you learned from me. Good day. Hi.